Hello world, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Learn with Shibaji. Today we are going to learn about a very interesting topic in civil engineering, which is different type of support and their reaction component. Let's start with the first support, that is hinge support. It is a support which can resist both vertical and horizontal forces, but they cannot resist the moment. It means hinge support is restrained against translation. The following are the different representation of hinge support, and in all this there will be two reaction develop, that is horizontal reaction and other one vertical reaction. Coming to the example of hinge support, the best example of hinge support is a door or door leaf, which only rotate about its vertical axis without any horizontal and vertical movement. Therefore, we can summarize that hinge support is having two reaction component, one horizontal and one vertical. That means the horizontal and vertical movement is restricted but rotation is allowed. Hinge support is also used in three-hinged arch bridge. The live example of this is Sydney Harbour Bridge, in which supports are hinged. The next type of support is roller support. Roller support can only resist the force which are perpendicular to its plane of rolling. There are many ways of representing a roller support in civil engineering. The following are some representation of roller support. As you can see, as soon as the load applied to the beam span, the roller support starts moving in the horizontal direction. Similar phenomena will be observed in the following two cases because the roller is placed in the horizontal direction. In the fourth case, the roller is placed vertically, so upon the action of vertical or inclined load, the support tends to move in downward direction. So it can be seen that for the first three cases, reaction develops in the vertical direction, and for the fourth case, reaction is in horizontal direction. Finally, in the last case, the roller support is neither placed vertically and nor placed horizontally. It is inclined with some angle so that support will move along the inclined plane and reaction will be perpendicular to its plane of rolling. Therefore, it can be concluded that the roller support will have only one reaction component and it will be always perpendicular to the plane of rolling. The roller support is mainly provided at one end of bridge span. The reason for providing it at one end is to allow contraction or expansion of bridge deck with respect to the temperature difference in atmosphere. Next support is fixed support. Fixed support is a support which resists all types of movement and it is also called support with infinite rigidity. But practically, there is no perfect fixed support. The following is the representation of fixed support, which have all the three reaction: horizontal, vertical, and moment reaction. It can be summarized that fixed support is having all the three reaction component, that is horizontal, vertical, and moment reaction. That means along with vertical and horizontal movement, rotation is also restricted in fixed end. Next type of support is guided roller. Guided roller are mainly classified into two types. First, vertical guided roller, and the second one, horizontal guided roller. First, let's see the vertical guided roller. The following is the representation of vertical guided roller. Here it can be seen that the member end is attached with a fixed plate, and fixed plate is further attached with the roller. The roller is placed vertically, so under the action of load it can move in downward direction. Therefore, it will develop two reaction component, one horizontal reaction and one moment reaction. The moment reaction is generated due to this plate, since it will not allow the beam to rotate. So, as its name says, vertical guided roller can move in vertical direction only, and hence produces two reaction, one horizontal reaction and other moment reaction. Coming to the next support, horizontal guided roller. When the member end is attached with the fixed plate and the fixed plate is further attached with roller which is placed horizontally, then it is called as horizontal guided roller. It will also have two reaction component, vertical and moment reaction. The moment reaction is generated due to this plate, since it will not allow the beam to rotate. Therefore, it can be said that horizontal guided roller can move in horizontal direction alone, and hence produces two reaction component, one vertical and one moment. There is another way of representation of horizontal guided roller. Here the member end is attached with a plunger having roller in both horizontal surface. So under the application of load it can move horizontally but not vertically. So it will create two reaction, one vertical and one moment reaction. As long as the gap is more than the horizontal deformation, no horizontal reaction will develop. Next support is vertical spring. The following is the representation of vertical spring, and it will have one reaction. Vertical spring will have only one reaction, and that is vertical reaction. Now coming to the last support, torsional spring. It is the setup where along with vertical spring, a torsional spring is also connected to the member. Torsional spring is shown by spiral rings. So, torsional spring has two reaction component, one vertical and one moment reaction. Now let's summarize all the support and their reaction component. In left side we'll write types of support, and on the right hand we'll write the reaction component. First, hinge support. Two reaction component, one vertical, one horizontal. Second, roller support. One reaction component perpendicular to the direction of rolling. Third, fixed support. Three reaction component, horizontal, vertical and moment. Fourth, vertical guided roller. Two reaction component, horizontal and moment. Fifth, horizontal guided roller. Two reaction component, vertical and moment. Sixth, vertical spring. One reaction component, vertical. Seventh, torsional spring. Two reaction component, vertical and moment. All the above reaction components are valid for beam and plane frame, that is for 2D structure. Now for space frame, that is three-dimensional structure, hinge and fixed support will have some more reaction component. Here we can see two different 3D structure, one having hinge as the support condition at the bottom and the other one is fixed at the bottom. In hinge support there will be three reaction component developed in X, Y and Z direction, and that will be force, that is force in X direction, force in Y direction and force in Z direction. Whereas in the case of fixed support there will be six reaction component, three forces and three moments. So those will be Rx, Ry, Rz and Mx, My and Mz. So we can summarize like for a three-dimensional structure or for a space frame structure, hinge support will have three reaction component Rx, Ry and Rz, whereas fixed support will have six reaction component Rx, Ry, Rz, Mx, My and Mz. So that's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up by hitting the like button. Share it with your friends and classmates. Comment down if you have any queries, and please do subscribe the channel Learn with Shibaji, and don't forget to press the bell button. Thank you.